Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you aren't new and you haven't subscribed, why haven't you? So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification link so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. And let's get right to it. So I've been asked to make this Hostess cupcake box so they can use it for Valentine's Day gifts. So I've already uploaded my template and I already designed it, as you guys can see here. So I'm just going to give you guys a few pointers and then I'm going to go over to my workstation and show you guys how to assemble it. As you can see, all of my items aren't facing the same way. Some are to the right, some are to the left, some are upside down. And that is because these are the sides of the boxes. And when they are folded in, you want the images and the words to be facing the correct way. So make sure you rotate your items to the correct setting they need to be so they can print right. You can see this square is blank because this is my bottom. You can color that if you want to. It's your choice. I don't color the glue parts. You can actually remove where it says glue so you don't actually waste any ink when you are printing. I'm going to print with them now for this video purposes only. I'm also going to be printing with the template boxes still on, but of course you guys know you can always go to them and delete them, remove them, change them to the color you need them to be if you need to use them. But this is my whole box designed. This is the top right here. I have a window here. If you don't want the window feature, just click on it and just delete it and go ahead and print. If you want the window, you'll print it with it on, and of course you'll cut it by hand. If you are using this on your machine, you'll save it as a PNG image, PDF image, whatever your software requires, and you take it over to Silhouette Studios or Design Space, load it up into your software, and you have your lovely machine cut it out for you. So you don't have to do any work. But I am hand cutting today, so let's go ahead and get this printed and move on over to my workstation. All right, so we are back. We have our template printed and cut out. We did not cut out our window. I'm going to show you guys now how I cut that out. Using my X-Acto knife, you can use scissors, you can use your machine like I stated before, but this is the way to do it by hand if you don't have a machine and all you have is your printer. You can leave this window blank when you remove it, or you can get buy the clear acetone paper, I believe that's what it's called, to apply on the inside. So then you'll have a clear window. But there you go. As you can see, I have cut this out. Just a tip, when you are cutting out your template, make sure to cut from here to here so you're able to fold these pieces that you need to glue in. Now I'm going to score my pieces using my ruler. This is a dollar ruler I got from the dollar store. I actually have another ruler, but it doesn't have like the thin edge for me to fold. So I like using this when I am scoring and not using my scoreboard. I just place the ruler up against the line I need to score and I fold up. And I will do that to all the pieces that needs to be folded. I printed my box using cardstock in my regular inkjet printer. So if you are using your inkjet printer, I actually recommend you trying out printing using one piece of cardstock at first, because some printers don't support the thickness of some cardstock. So try it out before you jam your printer up. Make sure you get all the pieces, and then you're gonna go ahead and fold them the correct way and bone it, of course. If you have a little boner, that helps. You just do all your pieces before you start gluing them together. Now we can start gluing. So I am, of course, using my art glitter glue. You can purchase this on Amazon. So I'm going to glue the two pieces together first. It doesn't matter how you glue them, what step you do first, as long as you get it put together. But I'm going to put the two pieces together first. Go ahead and line it up. And now I'm going to glue the side pieces in. Line them up. Do the same for the other side. It didn't want to stick. Alright, there we go. As you can see, I didn't line this up correctly. But we're gonna fix that. And then you do the other side. And now you have your box. So we have, whoops, well, we thought we had our box. Alrighty, make sure you got it glued good, okay? Alright, so then you'll take your cupcake or whatever item you're using, and you'll place it inside of your box. You'll close your box. Dun, dun. Hold on. And now you have your Hostess cupcake box that you can use as a sweet Valentine's gift. My kids' school doesn't allow us to bring candy, so I will not be using this idea, but these are great, even great for party favors, invites. Use your imagination, come up with whatever fits your needs. Don't forget, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.